Yeah, well, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
What's up, my viewers and subscribers? Welcome back to another video. Today, I am sharing one of my favorite simple Jamaican meals with you. It's not steak, it's not lobster, but it's Caribbean choice sardine. Whether they make it in Jamaica, yes or no, it's one of the meal that we have on our table like almost every day. Let me speak to for some of our Jamaicans. This is one of our favorite dish. Whether it is choices or grace or whatever brand, I know that some of you Jamaicans love sardine. So to all my sardine lovers, hey, hey, hey to you. So today I'll be cooking down this sardine as you may see already, and down it with oil. Listen, from I was a youth, sardine was always placed on my table. Some people run down fancy dish, but me tell you, give me sardine, I'm good to go. It's affordable, quick, and it keep my belly happy and full. Any true Jamaica know what me I talk about out there? Give a thumbs up or say something in the comment section. I know a lot of times, you as a content creator, you see some persons out there cooking their food and you wish that, you'll join them to cook. You wish, you're able to afford that food to cook, to make a content or create a content or whatever way you put it. But people, use what you have to be simple and unique. I have sardine, I love sardine, and I'm using sardine today. So grab a hold of whatever you have in your house and come show off your meal. Like the other people them with them steak and them you name it. So I am bragging about sardine this morning. I remember growing up, we mommy, I don't know how she did it, but she usually serve one tin of sardine for like 10 people. Like how? Like nowadays, I'm having that one sardine for myself. But it was so unique. Oh, all of us could, get a little taste of the sardine in our plates, and we had a belly full. We're gonna say about that. Comment in the comment section. Sardine is one of my favorite. Maybe one of these days I'll talk about other stuff in the tin. I appreciate tin food, even though we have a whole lot of negative talk about thin stuff, but they are very helpful, so keep those who are out there who feel less than and you only have a tin of sardine. Listen, you are $1 million. You are $1 million. You are a millionaire. Let me put that straight. You are a millionaire. Don't even think that because I can't afford certain things I am less than or whatever. Don't do that to yourself. Speak over yourself, live life, and enjoy the meal that you have. Watch me enjoy my Caribbean choice sardine. So if you love sardine like me, drop a comment and tell me how you cook down your sardine. Some people had sweet pepper to them sardine and some garlic. So everybody have their own style. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Jamaican food from Kassan TV. God bless.